In this video I'm going to show you how to comment in a Miro board very easily. So what we will do, we will open our Miro board, and as you can see I have created one. Now the next step is to of course add a comment in your board. So what we will do, we will go to the left side interface and there you will find different options. We will go to the latest one, the comment option. Select the little speech cloud and after that you are able to add a comment wherever you want. Let's say we would like to add a comment at the sticker part over here. So we would like to add a comment, and once you have found the part where you want to place the comment, then click on it by your left mouse button. Once you have done this, then you can see we can add a comment. For an example, we would like to say use these stickers. Now once you have added the comment, then you can click on the send button. Once you have sent it, then you will see that there are comments over here. Now the next step is to add another comment. For example, only use them in this board. Now as you can see there are timestamps over here, so you can easily track it when the comment has been placed. And after that you have successfully placed comments in your Miro board. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Miro videos. And we will see you in the next one. Cheers guys!